Bootable drive HDD version. We are going to use Dispart CLI or command line interface method. Prepare a laptop and hard disk drive. So this is the storage of a bootable drive. So we are going to search for command prompt and run it as an administrator. The first thing that we are going to do is type Dispart. So it starts the Dispart utility. It is like an opening. So the second thing that we are going to do is to type list disk. So it allows us to display available disk. So like what I showed you earlier. So the capacity storage of a drive is 931 or 1 TB. So what we are going to select is this one, a 931 GB. After selecting the target drive, type clean. It erases all data and partitions. Next is create partition primary. After creating partition, we are going to select partition 1. Then type active to mark the partition as bootable. To format the drive, you need to type format fs equals ntfs quick. So if you want to assign a drive letter, you need to use assign. So type exit to close the Dispart. So that is how to create and prepare bootable drive.